Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Lens app. First, we are going to open the Google Lens app. In most modern smartphones, it will be present itself in the phone. But if you're using an older version, go to the Play Store and download the Lens app. Upon opening the Lens app, we are met with this interface. Such as a camera, so it immediately recognizes some objects which are laid in front of me. First I will show you it step by step. First, I'm going to speak about what are the functions this is able to perform. Google Lens can be used to do a variety of functions, from scanning text to searching with images in order to identify or locate similar objects or places. It can also convert the text which is being written on a piece of paper and digitize it for us, that we can convert it into PDF or any such forms. Another important function of the Google Lens app is that it can convert languages from any signs to any other language. First, I'm going to demonstrate you about the translation function. So as we can see in the bottom side, there is a translation section. You can see translate, and the top hand side it says auto detect the language and translate it to Arabic. Okay, first you set it to Arabic, so next I will set it to English. Auto detect from the English. Oh my god, where is English? Yeah, to English. Okay, and now taking this battery, and there is some foreign language written in it. I think it is French. Now you can see that it immediately translated it into English. Before it was French, now converted into English, that we saw. The next is that we can use it to identify any object. Say you saw a friend's new phone cover and you thought it is cool, so you just take it. So I just took this phone cover and you just scan it, press this search button, and yep, something very similar actually popped up. Let's see. Yep, it is the same one. So you can buy it from the Amazon store, etc., like that. And the next is what, say I'm going to demonstrate one more example. You find a new watch, so you just find cool watch, so you just scan it and you press the search button. See, the same product appeared. Wonderful, nothing beats this. So again, as I said, you can use it to search for text and can be used to scan text. Say for example, you can press this document size button and it says text. You can immediately recognize some text. Okay, so just press on that text and we can actually copy it. I'll show you. You can select the important text that we want and press the copy text option, so you can see the message copy to clipboard. Then say for example, you can just add it in the notes like a text note. I will give you the example. See, like that. So this is the functions of the Google Lens app. If you have any doubt regarding the same, please comment down in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching and have a good day. Thank you.